everyone, welcome back. Today we will be doing some cute crafts and it's really simple. We're going to be doing these cute umbrella. They're 3D and let's get into it. You're going to want some sheet of a yellow post-it or just a yellow square of construction paper, and you want to fold that twice. Now unfold it and fold it like a zigzag pattern. Now fold it in half and tape. You can double tape it or you can glue it, the two sides together. I'll put some tape on the paper and put the little umbrella thing that we made on it. Use the Sharpie to draw a hook to the umbrella. For the pink umbrella, we're going to need 2 pink post-its or pink construction squares. Fold 2 of them and use a scissor. Be careful to have adult beside you and cut like a half circle. Now unfold them and take them apart. Now get double tape and tape these 2 together. And then you can put some tape and ta-da, there we go. You can also get a Sharpie and draw a handle on that. Take some green construction paper and cut some grass. You can also draw it if you'd like. Now you can take a green marker and draw flowers and stuff on the grass. Use a blue marker to draw the water droplets. And there we have it. You can use a thin Sharpie to draw some patterns on the umbrellas if you'd like. Ta-da! I hope you enjoyed this video. Here's the final product, and don't forget to leave a like and a sub. See you next time!